Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, park level, chalk wheels, and lift if needed. Locate differential cover or drain plug, identify the vent and fill hole so you don't trap air. Once located, position a drain pan under the drain plug or cover seam. Loosen the fill plug first. This ensures you can refill later. Then remove the drain plug or loosen bolts around the cover. Expect oil to flow. Make sure to wear gloves and clean away grime, so bolts don't strip when you remove them. With oil drained, clean the mating surfaces and magnetic drain plug using a lint-free rag. Remove all metal filings. This reveals gear wear early. Carefully scrape the old gasket. Fit a new gasket or apply recommended RTV sealant sparingly so it seals without excess squeezing into gears. Tighten cover bolts in a crisscross pattern to specified torque to avoid warping. Once assembled, double-check the fill plug accessibility because you'll use it to refill and to verify proper fluid level later. Refill now. Use the specified fluid and pour until oil reaches the bottom edge of the fill hole. This ensures correct level. Once filled, reinstall plug and torque to spec. Lower the vehicle, drive gently to circulate fluid, then park and recheck for leaks and correct level. Top off if needed. If you hear grinding or fine metal in the new oil, stop. Make sure the gasket sealed and bolts are torqued, inspect gears, and consult the service manual. Those symptoms suggest internal damage that needs attention.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.